So I'm going to show you how I make a water filter. I got these online. I think this one was nine something, $10. This was 12 something. It's a 20 quarter and a 16 quarter. Now, I just bought filter. You can find whichever filter you want. They ain't too awful expensive. I think this was a little over 12, and the spigot was about the same. So I'm going to use a double, but if you use a single filter, you could do this for about $50. And it's all stainless steel. You don't have to worry about the plastic butt breaking. This is a brass valve, and stainless steel might get a dent, but it should never break or split. And like I said, I'm going to do a double filter. So first thing I'm going to do is try to get this rivet off of the lid. I don't want to put it there, so I have to grab a old board. Hang on. Them are aluminum rivets, so I just got a dent in them just enough to get a bigger bit in it to drill it all the way off. Go with a 1/4 inch. It should be big enough. I'm hoping them holes will line up where I can do both filters, and I'll use this for a pattern. Yeah, it looks like it's right. And these are a 0.2 micron. You could go smaller. I just like the 0.2 because it takes out a lot of stuff. Alright, what I wanted to double check was make sure that hole ain't too awful big or too small, and it looks about right. 1/2 inch big. It'll spin down in there fairly easy, but I'll clean it up just a little bit before I'm done. Just want to make sure the spacing's right. Yep. Awesome. You don't want to scratch or drop these. Go get a few tools and then I'll be right back. So I'm going to use my Dremel to clean up the burrs and stuff. My fingers seem to be about the right thickness gauge. Looks like they'll line up really good. So now all I gotta do is get them cleaned up and the filter's done. I'm trying to clean up all the burrs I can so the washers won't get tore up. Yeah, I don't have little burrs to clean up in there. It's going to be a booger. All the burrs are off of that now. This is the one on that side I gotta worry about. A little bit of burrs there. Have to give this a good wash before I'm done. Alright, so make sure I got it turned the right way. That's some tough stuff. I barely put a dent in it. Ideal kind of work, but it didn't. Flap sander, round out the hole a little more. It's a little small. Well, I'm going to use a Dremel with a flap sander to open this hole up a little bit so the valve, the spigot will fit. Hopefully. A little rough on the sanding, but definitely won't take much now, just a little bit. Well, that'll work. Put the washer and then the silicone or rubber washer on behind that. Have to get washed out real good when I get done. I just don't want nothing built up in there around that spout when I put these washers on. Rubber first, washer next. And press your nut on. I had to have a pair of pliers to do that, so my camera quit me at one point, so I did clean up with a Dremel on the burrs. I did get a pretty good lineup on this. I put both filters in and put a washer right below the filter and a rubber washer right below these, and then there we go. That's how I make a water filter. So you can get all types of different water filters. Some of them have silver in them to keep bacteria at bay. Some of them have charcoal in them. I like both of them. One that's got both of them in it. The review said it did, but it's not as heavy as my other filter, but it is a 0.5 or 0.2 to 0.5 micron. So it'll trap most of the bacteria and stuff. I know my water's pretty clean, so it's alright. It comes out of a spring, so I don't have to worry about too much stuff getting through it right at the spring head. So, but that's how I make my water filters. And like I said, you can do it for about 50 bucks with one filter. 2 filters will raise it up. I mean, even with 3 filters, you're probably only looking at $75. So I think it's good as some of the big name brands. I mean, you just got to pick your filter and make sure you get a really good filter. And the filters is what probably going to cost you the most. Like I said, this is about $12, $13. This is about $10, $11, and this is $11 or $12. So, and you can find them cheaper. It just may take longer, but I hope it was informative. I hope it showed you how easy it is to build one. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Share it if you think somebody else needs to know it. And got a question or a comment, leave it in the comment section. I'll get to it as quick as I can. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.